Hello and welcome back to Crazy Kernel on YouTube. In this video, we'll be going over Python file handling. On screen is shown 4 file handling tools for creating, writing, and reading files. At the end of the video, we'll be going over how to delete a file. So if you like the video, please like and subscribe. So let's get started. So first we have to create a file. So to do that, we put the variable name. I'm going to give x equal to, and then we're going to put the open function, which is used a lot in file handling. Then we're going to put the name of our file, and we're going to put the extension, so .txt for text document. After the quotation marks, you put a comma, and since we're creating, we're going to use the X letter to make sure that we know that we're creating it. So that created file, and it's a good practice to close the file after you're done with it. So you do that by listing the variable name X, and then dot close, and then close parentheses. So I closed the X file now. And now we're going to use another variable, y, equal to open. This time we're going to write in it, so demofile.txt. And now, instead of x, we're going to be writing, so I'm going to put a for append or add. And next line, y.write. This can be any text, so text inside demofile.txt. So basically, this is just going to be my text inside demofile.txt. So let's close y then. And after that, finally, let's read the file. So r equal to open. So variable r is equal to open demo file .txt, and instead of x or a, we're going to use r for reading. So now we're going to print r to read it. So print r, but this won't work, so we have to put print r inside the parentheses, print r dot read, and then close parentheses. So it should look something like this. And then let's close r, and let's run this. And it prints text inside demofile.txt. So basically, we created a file, we wrote inside it, and then finally we read it. So when you read it, it reads the file, the text that's inside the file. So if I go to my file explorer, it did create a demofile.txt with the same text that I specified inside the Python code. So that's how we create, write, and read a file. And finally, I'm going to go over deleting a file. So for that, we need to import a module called OS. After that, then it's easy. We just have to delete the file. But sometimes if you try to delete a file, if the file does not exist, it'll throw us an error. So if you don't want to see the error, you just have to put an if condition. So if os.path.exists, and then you have to put in the quotations in parentheses our file name. So demofile.txt, and then our colon for the end of the if loop. Then we're going to use the os.remove, and then demofile.txt. So basically what this is if this file exists, only then it will remove. And then here comes our else condition. So else print file does not exist. So basically, if it exists, it's going to remove it with this os.remove method. If it doesn't exist with the else condition, it's going to print file does not exist. So let's run this. And it finished the process. So let's go into our file explorer, and look, it deleted the file. So basically, that's how you delete a file. Remember to import the OS method for this. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Crazy Kernel YouTube.